Hi, it's Jake here. Out in the garage, in my little shitty ass workshop here. See, I've got some tools on the wall. Got myself a handy dandy little. Does that not change the. Okay, that doesn't change the camera. Got ourselves a rusty. Well, it's rusty now because the fucking roof leaks. But, belt fed, terrifying ass table saw here that I've reconstructed from scrap. Uh, got that for free off of Craigslist out of the side of the road. As with most of my tools, I've gotten them free or from the side of the road, including the lumber that I'm working today. Today, I'm making that, which is one of my cutting boards. I do make cutting boards every now and then when I feel like I have the time. This is the finished side here. See, it's nice and smooth. It's not great. There's some glue showing, but nothing I can do about that. I'm working with hand tools in a garage that is little more than a lean-to built on a lean-to. This whole workshop here is maybe 3 feet wide. Really not. It's not great, but it's indoors. It's not heated. It is middle of November here. Loud noise. That didn't work. Okay, well, guess I'm not putting that in the way I wanted to. Yeah. So do a cut here, and you guys get to watch me sand down this side. This side's much rougher. You can see this is what it looks like when it comes out of the clamps. It's got a lot of glue showing. It's gnarly. It's not even kind of level. Yeah, so I'll get the hyperlapse shot up and you guys can watch me sand this fucker down. Well, as you guys just saw, belt on the sander broke. This happens every cutting board and a half. I don't know if it's the belts I'm using. They are from Harbor Freight. Or if it's the sander, because it's fucking ancient. Look at this thing. Three-inch belt sander, model number 315-11-721. Craftsman, Sears, a company that doesn't exist thanks to our, was it former Secretary of the Treasury under Donald Trump, trashed the company of Sears in order to make some money. I think I got that right. Pretty sure I got that right. So, if I want this cutting board to be done, because it needs a good deal of sanding still. I'm gonna need more belts. I don't have any cash right now, so I guess this cutting board is getting put aside, and we can go inside and finish the last one. The one that I've done the finishing steps on and just need to oil. Yeah, let's go do that. Catch you guys inside. Hey guys, back inside, and I have a cutting board that I've already done some work to. You can see here, this one is basically finished. It's been sanded nice and clean, got nice edges and bevels here, softened and chamfered. What you probably don't see real well, okay, so it's not on this side, pardon me. What you probably don't see real well are things like this. Not sure if you can see that on there, but that is, and a little bit right here and right here as well. That's super glue, and I did that to fill cracks in the board where food could get stuck. Um, this isn't the hero side. This isn't the side that you're supposed to cut on, but I don't know what people are going to do, right? So I take a little super glue, a little super thin through super glue at first, and I fill the void. That wicks into the wood and covers all the cracks, and I use some thicker super glue after that to fill it in. And now we're going to take the little razor blade here and do some scrapage. So if you guys want to sit here with me while I do some scraping, you're more than welcome to. It's not going to take too long. And if you're wondering why you can't see what I'm doing, well, that's because I'm on my phone. I don't have a stand for it. This is my first time doing a video like this. And you're currently propped up on a soda can. So I hope that you like it, because it's about as comfortable as you're going to get. So here, I'll tilt you a little better so you might be able to see what I'm doing. Sorry for the soda can in the shot. You're just going to have to deal. And you can see right here, just taking the blade, and I'm just slightly scraping here. Just lightly scraping. And that gets us our super glue nice and off the top here. Yeah, and I'm not sure you can see, but right here where it's getting a little lighter, that's because I'm scraping into the wood, which means the super glue is gone and I've gotten that level nice and ready. So let's go ahead and do this part here. Oh, this is tall. A little bit more. Ooh. Sorry guys, didn't mean to nudge you there. That's feeling good. Got a rough spot over here we'll take care of. Feels good and smooth. A little bit of something right there. Oh yeah. Check that gunk out. That is some oil. Looks like I've already oiled this board once or twice. So we'll just need a little rub down coat and then it'll be good to go. Let's do a quick scrape here. Just take off that dust that's been accumulating while I've been not working on this. There we go. That's good. And before you ask, yes, I am doing this on my desk that has my computer on it. What I got available to me. This side's still good, all these sides are good, everything feels nice and flush. So, looks like we are good to go here. I will pick you guys up when I'm ready to rub this down with its last coat of oil, do its tie knot, and then put in the packing slip. Well, not the packing slip, the care slip that I have written up. See you in a bit. All right, we are getting to the next part of packaging up the cutting board before it is ready to sit on my shelf, being unbought for another 6 months. It involves a typewriter. Now, why do I use a typewriter? Great question. It's because I'm extra. And that's just how it's done. And in case you were wondering what type of keyboard or typewriter I am using a Sterling Smith Corona. If I am to be told correctly, this is a what is it? Mid 1900s or early 1900s typewriter, and it is in pristine condition. If you're wondering what the note I wrote was, it is this. Cutting board care. This cutting board has been treated with mineral oil and beeswax, blah, 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 blah. Just a little tips and tricks to make sure everybody gets the best out of their cutting board. Catch you guys upstairs. Paper towel, a little bit of oil, and we're just gonna rub this in, make that grain shine. So we need a little bit more oil. Today we're using Howard Butcher Block Conditioner. It's just what I happen to have on hand. In the future, assuming I ever get this off the ground, I will be using a mineral oil bath. I think to soak the wood and get some really nice penetration into the structure of the wood itself. So we're just going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up and then wrap up the cutting board. And when it's done, it'll look something like that.